The Realio price, the RIO token, has been on a tear lately. We're going to take a look at the easiest way to stake your RIO tokens. This is a project we covered on this channel between 5 and 10 cents. It's now trading at $2.34, got up to $3 over the weekend. You're not going to want to miss this one. Welcome to the APY Guide channel. If you like low market cap gems and you like AI and gaming cryptocurrencies, you're going to love this channel. So make sure you subscribe to it. Drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, the Realio token is up to $2.34. The fully diluted market cap is over $120 million. This is a project we covered a very, very long time ago in the middle of the bear market when it was between 5 and 10 cents. And I just really thought real world assets would do very well in this upcoming bull market. Today I'm going to show you how to stake it, how to get your coins over to the main platform, the Realio platform that is. You do have to sign up for the Realio platform. You have to sign in with a password and a username. And the username is going to be your email, actually. And then you're going to sign into the platform, and then you have to do a two-step verification. I'm going to pause the video really quick and do that to get onto the platform. Okay, once you've signed up and you've used a username and password, the username will be your email address with the password that you choose. You're going to be on app.realio.fund. That's app.realio.fund. The best way to do that, to make sure that you're on the right site, is to go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and go down to the actual website that's listed here. I usually double check both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap to make sure I am on the correct site. The screen will look like this. Okay, once you're signed on, you're going to see a page like this. You're going to go to Wallet. That's going to be your first order of business. You have to figure out where you're going to send your funds. So if we go down to RIO, here I have a few RIO tokens. I've got probably too many different chains. So I've got a little bit in Algorand. I've got some on BNB chain. You can have some on Ethereum. If you do, you can bridge those as well. And then they call it a cross-chain swap, actually. And then XLM Stellar, you can have RIO tokens on that as well. So what we're going to do here is I have my tokens on Algorand. To get them over to this wallet, you got to click on Algorand here, and then it'll have your RIO address here. And then you'll hit receive. It'll copy it. You copy and paste it to whatever, from whatever wallet you're sending the tokens from. If it's from like Maxi or another, if it's from your metamask or other wallet, then you would just copy and paste that into the send tab in that wallet. So we're going to do a cross-chain swap right now. We're going to go from Algorand to native Realio network. How much RIO are we going to swap? The maximum I can do is 24 tokens. I'm going to do 23 tokens, so leave one in my wallet. And it's going to say enter the destination for the swap. My Realio network address is right down here. So we're going to click on that. We're going to hit swap. And then it's going to perform the transaction. Cross-chain swap transaction cost is 0.001 Algorand. The bridge fee is 0.001 Realio. So you need a little bit of gas from whatever network you're sending from. And then you're going to need a little bit of RIO, extra RIO. So don't do max, do maybe one under to have some for gas fees. So I'm going to go ahead and agree. The authentication code is going to be on your 2FA, on your phone or other device. Once that goes through, it'll say your swap transaction has been submitted. And then once it is submitted and it actually goes through, it'll pop up and show that it's successful. Should do that just in a second here. The next step is to stake. So we're going to go to the network tab to stake our tokens. All right, so let's come down here and hit network. And then it'll bring us to this page where it should show what we actually have in the Realio network. It shows our native RIO here and our non-native RIO. So this is how many we can stake. So I got 40.51. You always want to keep one RIO token available for gas. So right now I have them staked in 2 different validators. If you want to pick a different validator, you can. You can just come down here and hit stake. I'm just going to stake into this one that I'm already staked into. So I'll hit manage. You would do what you would do if you do not have any stakes already. You would just pick one and hit the stake button and just do it there. The APY is 5.92%. Okay, so hit manage. I'm going to hit delegate, and then I'll put max, and then I'll put 38. I'll send 38, so that leaves me with 1.5. So I'll hit confirm and approve. And then it's going to ask for a two-factor authentication code again. Okay, I submitted that. It submitted the transaction. It says done. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and then we can see that our tokens are staked. So we're all set to go. We are staking RIO tokens. Okay, 2 quick tips to make sure that you do this correctly. One of them is to make sure you have gas in the wallet of the chain that you are sending. You're going to swap, to do the cross-chain swap with. If you're on BNB chain, make sure you have some BNB, enough BNB to swap from BNB chain to Realio, as well as Algorand or XLM. The other thing is to receive the RIO tokens in the correct wallet. You have to toggle to whatever chain you're sending to. If you're in a Para wallet now and you're sending to Algorand, you make sure you click on Algorand here and then copy this address here. If you're on BNB, make sure you click on BNB and then send to this address here. So that's just to make sure that you send to the correct address. I've made mistakes in the past where I try to send to a different network on accident. So make sure that you are on the correct network. Okay, let's take a quick look at the RIO chart. The high that it got to was $3 and almost 15 cents. Currently, it's at $2.22. The other day they had a network upgrade, so I started my video that day. The price was higher, and then Bitcoin kind of dumped out a little bit, and now it's down to 222. I'm not worried about it at all. I think it's going to do very well. There's a lot of support between $1.98 and $2.03. If we go to the 1 hour, it'll show the support a little better. I think it's around $2.03 where we have a really good support. Yeah, right about 204 to 203. And it looks like it's going to hold that. And it's turning up on the 1 hour. I believe the jewel's turning up on the 4 hour as well. So this coin could be the first 100x for us in this bull market. It did from my first video that I made. It was at around 6 cents, and it got up to $3.14. Let's see, what is that next is here. 314 divided by 0.06. That's a 52x. So I'm almost positive that this coin will do a 100x this bull market. It already went halfway there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for other opportunities like this one. If you have any questions about the staking process, please leave them in the comments of this video, and I'll get to those and definitely answer those questions for you. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.